morning, everyone. I am Chen Guiying from Shanghai Ocean University. Today I want to share a topic on unveiling spatial differentiation of China's inland recreational fishing insights from multi-source data. Okay. Which one? Okay, thank you. Okay. And before that, I want to introduce the concept of China's recreational fisheries because it is quite different from that in other countries. In China's recreational fisheries refers to every fishing activities related to fishing, and it provide people with entertainment and leisures. All these activities can fall in the scope of recreational fisheries. And here we can see China's recreational fisheries can divided into four types. The first type is the tourism-oriented, which take up about 40% of the total values. And we can see the first pictures shows the traditional ice fishing festivals, which attract many people crowded to the tourism places and to promote the tourism development. And the second type refers to angling and gathering. The angling refers to the marine recreational fishing and freshwater recreational fishing. And the gathering includes all the activities like collect the crab and shells on the beach. And these two is the most important part of China's recreational fisheries. And the third one is the fishing tackle and bait, as well as aquarium equipment, which take up about 50% of total value. And the fourth one refers to the ornamental fish farming and the wholesale and retail chain, which take up about 12% of total values. And from 2017 to now, China's conduct monitoring work on recreational fisheries. All the relevant enterprise upload their data to their local government, and the local governments just submit all the data to the Ministry of Agriculture. And as for the statistical indicators, it includes three dimensions. One is the revenue, which involve the accommodations and food service. And the second one refers to the wholesales and retail chain. And the third one refers to the ornamental fish farming. And as for the dimensions of scale, the statistic will involve the numbers of boats, dong, and the areas of farming. And the third dimensions refers to the employment, includes the numbers of business and the numbers of employees. And in these industrial structures, China's recreational fisheries output values reach about 50 billion $50 billion in 2025, and the visits of the relevant activities have reached about 230 million. But although China have the monitoring systems, but the monitoring just collect the data for the social economy dimensions. As for the spatial and temporal differentiations of the recreational fisheries remains unknown. So our group collect the data from different multi-source for inland recreational fishing. The first type is the map applications, which include the water area information, and the second one refers to the geographical coordinates, and the third one refers to the nearby facilities and service. As for the angling applications, not only the commercial fishing sports can be found in the application, but also the users can upload their user market natural spots on this angling application. So in this application, we can found the commercial as well as the natural fishing spots. And the third one refers to the enterprise registrations informations, which we can fold the informations of registered capital and stored fish species and the service provided by the enterprise. And we finally make the data fusions and we can get the informations of the basic geography information, the fish species information, and the fishing activities in tendency, and the informations about nearby facilities and service, and the angling sentiment by the user reverse. And now the database covers over 60,000 POIs and contains over 100,000 user-generated contents, which updated in real times. And here's the dark point refers to the point of interest. One dark point refers to one fishing spot in China's, and we set the rules to divide the POIs into different types. One is the river-lake-reservoir angling, and the rules is the when if the angling locations is in natural waters, then we divide it to river, lake, and reservoir angling. And when the business scope of the fishing sports include the service or accommodation, like accommodations and catering, then we put these fishing sports into the tourism-oriented angling. And as for the pond angling, when the fishing point primary business scope is about agriculture with angling, then we regard it as the pond angling. And here, we just extract the keywords from the user reviews when the users mentioned the fish species in their reviews, then we just extract such informations from their reviews, and we can see that the crucian camp and the common camp and the grass camp are the dominant species, which accounting for over 60% of the total. And then we just judge the angling activity levels by the reviews numbers. And we just divide it as 4 types. One is the low activity, one is the medium low activity, and one is the medium high activity, and the last one is the high activities. And from the user reviews, we extract the informations about the activities and the facilities, and we found the boatings is most frequent mentioned in the user's refers. And the second one is the BBQ and the drinking. And the third one is the board games. And the last one is the camping. As for the related facilities, the catering is most frequent mentioned in the reviews. And the second one is the farmhouse days. And the third one is the scenic sports pass. And the last one is the fishing tackle sports. Although my multi-source data can reveal some spatial and temporal distributions of China's inland recreational fishing, but many important indicators like the participation, like the consumption, like the catch and the fishing efforts remains unknown. So in the last years, we conduct a large-scale coastal recreational fishing survey, and we finally collect over 1,700 valid questionnaires and submit to research reports to the fishery bureaus. That's all about our work. Thank you.